I'm very excited to take a look at this room here. This is a Sun Club villa with tropical view. Wow. Look at this room. Love the beautiful high ceiling, fans. This is a wonderful room for honeymooners, someone celebrating an anniversary, looking for a little bit more privacy. But it also can accommodate a family. So if you're down here with your family, the sofa does convert to a sofa sleeper. It is steps away from the beach. Has this beautiful balcony or terrace. Really comfortable loungers. Got a little friend here. We'll call him Myrtle the Turtle. And as we come back into the room, see that big, beautiful bed coming into view. And another little balcony area here, jacuzzi tub. Lovely washroom, double vanity. Shower on the left. And your toilet area. And we'll finish off. You've got that wonderful television, desk. This is one of 4 Sun Club villas here at the Sunscape Dominicus.